My songs know what you did in the dark. So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up. I'm on fire. So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up.
Good thing my dad taught me this tricks. So the first step, I click on overlay, then go to the remove BG feature, then select auto removal. If you have duplicated the overlay, then slide and align it with overlay number 1. Then remove the unfold animation. If you have, go back to the remove BG feature and change it to a normal clip or without removing BG. Continue to the second step. Go to the mask, then select mirror. Set the rotate to 90 degrees, then set the mirror width according to your wishes. Give 2 keyframes at the beginning and end. Then change the X-axis position of the initial keyframe to 999. If you have changed the X-axis of the last keyframe to -999, then duplicate the overlay. Then go back to the mask and change the position of the 2 keyframes that were previously set to the opposite of the previous settings. The initial X-axis to -999 and the final X-axis to 999. The next step is to give a filter to the overlay that has been masked. Then look for negative and select the negative effect, and vice versa. Enter the negative effect filter on the clip that has been set to the other mask. If you have entered the layers feature, then set the first overlay layer and place it in the front position. Next, enter the black overlay, zoom the overlay, match the size with the main clip, then go to the mask and select mirror, then select invert. Set the width of the black overlay as you wish. Give 2 keyframes at the beginning and end. If you have enlarged the initial keyframe, then give a linear graph. Then remove the BG overlay. Give a body effect and select molten figure. Set the speed to 100. Continue to the next step. Remove the existing BG overlay. Then go to the effects feature. Select body effects and select vortex dissolve. Set the speed to 100, size 50 and range 50. If it's done, slide it again to the right and remove the BG overlay. Then add body effects. Then select molten figure. Set the speed to 100. Next, remove the existing BG overlay. Then go to the stroke feature and select solid color stroke. Set the size to 10 and opacity to 100. We go to the last step. Remove BG overlay. Then give body effects. Vortex dissolve set speed, 100 size 50, and range 50. Then shift to the right and enter transition comparison 2, set to 0.5, and give smoke animation on the last clip. Sorry, there is a step missed before we see the results. Go forward again. Then enter fade in animation on the first clip set to 2.0 and let's see the results.
My songs know what you did in the dark. So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up. I'm on fire. So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up.
Thank you for watching this video.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next viral editing tutorial. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want me to recreate another trending edit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.